With the snow finally melted, the pace of construction on the FM Area Diversion ramped up this past month. I'm Tom Fuchs, the Senior Construction Manager for the Metro Flood Diversion Authority, with your progress updates. Our drone view begins at the Red River structure, which is the largest of the 3 gated structures on the project. With the driven H-pile foundations, stabilization slabs, formwork, and rebar completed in advance, Ames Construction poured the first of the structure's foundations on May 5th. Nearly 2,300 cubic yards of concrete went down in a single placement, enough for more than 10 miles of sidewalks. It was the first of many pours to come. Concrete was also poured at the diversion inlet structure, which is further along than the Red River structure. Crews have now completed the mechanical platform as well as multiple segments of the floodwall bridge railings, bringing it to 93% completion. Nearby on I-29, work continues for raising a 4.2-mile stretch of the interstate out of the 500-year floodplain. The project began in 2021, and drivers will be happy to hear work is anticipated to wrap up this year. Crews are focusing on permanently completing the new southbound lanes and have now begun removing portions of the bypass lanes. More concrete went down at this site too, as the northbound Borrowditch bridge deck was poured mid-month. Altogether, the project totals grew by about 5,400 cubic yards of concrete placed in the past few weeks. That's enough to fill 2 hot air balloons. While the weather has facilitated the concrete pours, it hasn't been as cooperative for excavating. The clay soil being dug out for the 30-mile stormwater diversion channel has been especially sticky due to the recent snowmelt and rain. Despite that, ASN Constructors is moving forward on the northernmost reaches of the channel. They have also initiated new work on some of the channel's road crossings. At County Road 32, they are preparing to install wick drains and surcharge embankments, which will mitigate long-term settlement along the roadway approaches to the new bridge. They also began constructing the bypass at County Road 81. For road detour updates and project information, go to fmdiversion.gov.